Hey guys, I hope you're well. It is time for
Wonder Wednesday!
I hope you guys are having a really, really good week and are enjoying these Wind Up Wednesdays as much as Chris is enjoying them.
Yay!
I'm not.
Saffron's getting wound up.
I am. I'm getting quite frustrated, I'm not going to lie. I keep feeling like I'm going to win and then I don't, which is very annoying.
Pressure gets to her. Champione! Champione! Ah!
I'm not happy.
Pressure
Not
gets to
happy.
her.
You had a good week?
I have had a good week, thank you very much. Yeah, it's been good.
That is good. Okay, what is today's challenge, Chris?
We are going to play Flip the Cup.
Flip it to whip it. We should do gangster every time. or not. I think I made up a rhyme last week, so you should have to do one right now.
Flip the cup to win, to be the top. What rhymes with cup? Dup, mup, nop, flop. Top. Flip the cup to be. No, it doesn't matter. Right,
Flip
okay.
it to win it. Flip it to win it.
That doesn't rhyme. What are you talking about?
Just wanted to do that.
Penny, you want to forget it though. Okay, right. Flip the cup to win it. First one to flip all 3 cups will win the challenge this week. So Saffron, pressure's on.
I know.
3, 2, 1, go! Saffron, this game is impossible!
No, it's actually a lot more difficult.
Let's flip 1.
Oh.
Hey! Oh!
Come on!
10,
No!
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop flipping your cup! Saffron, did you flip any cups?
On the floor, I think they landed on the top on the floor.
I flipped 1 cup.
It was so much more difficult than I thought it would be.
I think, to be honest, we used the wrong cups.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, let's blame it on that.
Doesn't matter though. That's another win for Team Disability.
I've got to win. I have got to win.
I'm starting to feel sorry for you, Saffron. I feel like I need to let you win.
If you let me win, I'll be so mad.
Maybe I should just do that when Rugby is more. Let her
No.
win. If she
No.
wins next time, I'm gonna go.
Yeah, I'll let you win. He won't though. He's too
I won't,
competitive
I
to
won't,
ever
I
do
won't.
that. So, have a good week, guys.